Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can log out from Gmail account on this device. First of all, you need to go into settings. Now scroll down, go into accounts and backup, click on manage accounts and pick the account that you want to remove. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and choose remove account, then remove again. So now when I go into my Gmail, I have to refresh, just wait a second. I can see that one of my accounts is gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!